So in this section, I have a really small subset of the available code and cloud service tools. And what I've done here is I've tried to focus on tools that I see researchers using. Research is, in my experience, different than some of my other customers in that there is this experimentation aspect to it where the need for tools is sometimes more lightweight than, say, an enterprise customer. So I kind of went light on the tool section here. And if you are publishing your research, you're trying to create reproducible environments, you're going to want to go beyond this introduction to tools, basically. So 4 pieces of content in here, and you can see they're highlighted in the reference architecture as usual. I have source repositories, so this is a way that you can store your source code, and you can either link it to like Bitbucket or GitHub, or you can actually use it as your primary source control. There's a tool called a deployment manager, and this is used to deploy scripted infrastructure. The container registry probably will have the most use in this community because I'm more and more seeing research tools being packaged into Docker containers. So there is a container registry, GCR, Google Container Registry, again, relatively new, that I'll be covering in this section. And then really key is to monitor any of the services you're using with a good log reader tool. And Google has Stackdriver, so I'll have a little section on Stackdriver as well. But again, just be aware that this is really a subset of available tools. So if you are getting into a publishing situation, you're going to want to dig deeper. And I'll add some advanced links in the Stackdriver section so you can have some pointers to using tools in a more advanced way. In particular, I may add in the future continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines, because that's a practice that is often used in our industry that I think would be beneficial. But I need to work up a reference example is really what it is. So anyway, this is the status of this section at present, and these are the 4 tools that I'll be talking about.